Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christiana and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by or seeing my channel, please welcome to the family. You can join the family by clicking on the subscribe button down here. Please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and you can also drop a comment in the comment section below. I hope you watch this video to the end. I'm talking about gift ideas you can give to your YouTuber friend, family, that's going to impact their life this Christmas season. This is season of love and exchanging of gifts. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Back. So this video is about gift ideas you can give to your YouTuber friend or family this Christmas season of love and season of exchanging of gifts. So as a small YouTuber, these are basically the things I need that I will appreciate being given to me as gifts, and I believe other small YouTubers can relate to this also. So I'll be dropping like 5, 6, 7, 10 gift ideas you can give to a small YouTuber. Yeah. The first thing you can give to a YouTuber, like say someone that is about to start their YouTube channel, is a smartphone. Many people don't have camera to film with or cannot afford camera the first time they are filming with. They're starting up their channel. Like me, I started off with my mobile phone. So smartphone is one thing you can give a YouTuber. Like honestly, me, if you can give me an iPhone 11, like man, it's gonna impact my YouTube channel, like honestly speaking, because I film with my phone right now. And another thing is a camera. Every YouTuber wants a camera or look forward to owning a camera. So you gifting the small YouTuber a camera or upcoming YouTuber a camera is one big thing that they would really appreciate from you. Another thing is ring light. You can gift a YouTuber a ring light. A lot of people want ring lights because they film kind of in their houses and they really need ring lights to make their video more presentable. So ring lights. You can also gift them soft boxes. Soft boxes are they're used to lighten up the area we are filming with. So if you can gift a YouTuber a ring light and a soft box, man, they're going to be producing videos that are like pleasing to the eyes. Another thing you want to give to a YouTuber is a mic, either a lapel mic, a mic they clip to rather the shirt, or a regular mic they can use that comes mostly with the camera. So if you want to gift a YouTuber, you can gift them a mic. Another thing you can gift a YouTuber is a backdrop. Like I'm using a white backdrop right now. So if you want to give to a YouTuber, you can gift them a backdrop. And also if you want to gift them, you can also gift them a backdrop stand. I'm actually not using one right now. I'm just like hanging my backdrop somewhere. So you can gift a YouTuber a backdrop stand, and also tripod. You can gift a YouTuber a tripod. Honestly, they'll really appreciate that. Tripod for vlogging, tripod for the camera, any of those. I mean, you can just give to them. One other thing you can give to a YouTuber like me, most of these things I'm mentioning are things I also need. Like, so if my anon is watching me, please, these are the things I need. You can just surprise me. Okay, a laptop. I film with my phone and I edit with my phone. So honestly, getting a laptop right now would do me so good. It would do my channel a whole lot of good. So gifting a YouTuber a laptop is a big deal. So you can gift one, and a drive on memory cards. These are things we used to store our videos while editing them, or after even editing and uploading them. We used to safe keep our videos for future references. So these are basically not all, but few of the things that you can give to an upcoming YouTuber or a small YouTuber, and they will really appreciate this. Like, these are not the gifts you can give to them, and this, but not limited to this. So these are just few. And if you're a small YouTuber, what things do you feel like someone can give to you that will make you so happy? You can drop them in the comment section, and I'll be going through it. So this is where this video comes to an end. This video is basically gift ideas you can give to a small YouTuber or an upcoming YouTuber that they really appreciate, that it will really help their channel. So I hope you gift a YouTuber something today. I hope you gift me something after watching this video. So please remember to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.